for an exciting episode of Cast and Clash. And I mean, let's keep it fast, keep it entertaining. Today I'm just gonna chill with the gents and they're just gonna tell me what they're doing today. Not much, there's not much work. That's why I just had a Kutja Worx for this. Kutja Worx. I'm gonna chill. Cast and set life. Hola. Kutja Worx. Ivan Kama. Away. Feli wa fit. Ha ke Monday le nna la go shisha Monday. O tseniwa ka dinako. Yeah. Wait. Guys, I don't know what's happening here. This girl looks at him. Remember the color you want to come workshop. Maybe it's a space for JD. Already in Reno keeper. Rasai board. X6 in a very because they removed everything from the suspension, front suspension, to drive shaft and the diff. They're still very well intact. Okay. So I get to road here in Mama. Kama ya vaya fenda. Away. Over the transaction serious, Kutja. You were not quiet today. All a computer guy. I wonder if this car will start in this angle. I think this will go very soon. Lula Life. The guys are going to start striking. Lula Life. Life is no longer getting Lula. Life is no longer Lula. Oh, ladder. Life is no longer Lula. No gorilla gape. No go better di be. Guys, that VQ is almost finishing. The moment you see a car having a new radiator, pump, fuel pump, sleeve, cylinder, clutch master cylinder, filter, and now it's about to leave. guy is about to leave. When it is like this, I'm telling you, it's leaving. Don't count it. It's leaving. Does it have exhaust? No exhaust. Maybe it doesn't have a problem with wiring this car. It's not attending it ASAP. It's doing it bit by bit. Fuel cell on, fuel cell, no fuel cell. Dashboard. Dashboard. This M20 has been here for so long. Balatili collection. Now this X6 exhaust, why is it under this car? What do they want to do? This X6 exhaust. Gear 3. I don't know. 3. Okay, I'm like gear 3. I'm gear 3. I'm gear 3. Today Kutja is busy. And there is the entertainer there. The entertainer is busy. Look at the booth. Look at how he's sitting in the seat. Ha! So wow. Lula Life, we don't want to see you in here anymore. Lula Life. Out. Team APS. Yeah, 24/7. Yeah, when you go pillar rain, about 2 hours.
It wasn't there, no?
When you come then, abo bethile go ke mtsiba Kutja e ukotsi ku
Kokalo Marosa no tse go fetutli batho It's a movie.
I didn't see.
Available.
Available. La incha lula life. La incha. Kera khani incha ile ka lula. Idirileng phol. E go ile eng jet entry phol golf. Engine out. Ah, no ka lerato ntsha engine. Koloi ka no tamo le ntsha engine. La bolela le owner ka morao. Hi guys. I'll come again when Kutja is not busy. Look, it's so weird for me. It's very busy. I'm leaving, guys. That is why I have this episode of Worx. I'm going to be for the final technology before you Papa. So guys, before I leave, what? Maybe either I hit my head harder than I thought, or this is Tsaka. 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 You are here. Tsaka. Tsaka. I'm glad. Anyway, guys, let me love and leave you. Toodles.